My name is Dana.
I'm Jasmine.
And we go live every Friday afternoon at 3 p.m. So today we have a really fun recipe that's really great for the whole family, super easy to do. So what is it, Jasmine?
Alright, so today we are going to be making a DIY aromatherapy Play-Doh. So it's really exciting because Play-Doh, as you know, has like some chemicals and toxins, and it gets expensive because, you know, your kids play with it, it dries out. So we're going to show you a super easy and fun recipe. So what you'll need is a cup of flour. So we know this is not a cup of flour. We're going to be splitting this between the two of us. So I'll go ahead and pour my cup in right now.
This recipe is so easy to make that I'm not sure why, like, we don't make Play-Doh at home more often. It's
Very
really
true.
Fun.
Okay, so here you go.
Thank you.
And then you'll also need 1/4 cup of a quarter cup of salt. Go ahead and just pour that in. And you have yours. And then what you'll need is a 1/2 cup of water. So actually let's stir in our salt and incorporate it into our flour here. Just to help save on your mixing time. Okay, so then you're going to pour in a 1/2 cup of water. So I'm just going to distribute it throughout a little bit more. Okay. And then you're going to want to go ahead and stir it up. So, yeah, like Dana was saying, it is super easy to make. Like, because it does, like I said earlier, it does get expensive if you have kids that do play with Play-Doh and they mix all their colors and things together and it becomes one big
just
kind
one
of
blob
of like a brown clump or something like that.
And the other cool thing about this recipe is we'll be adding essential oils to make it aromatherapy Play-Doh, so that's kind of a little added bonus that regular store-bought Play-Doh doesn't have.
Very true. So it's going to smell amazing.
Afterwards. It smells a little
right
bready.
now, it does smell like bread. So you're going to want to knead it after it gets kind of to this consistency. I don't know if you can kind of, maybe you can see it in Dana's bowl because mine's, there you go. My bowl is white.
So it gets very dough-like.
Yes.
Which is what you're aiming for.
And then I want to add some color before I start kneading mine because I don't want just plain flour-colored dough. So I'm going to go for a orange Play-Doh. What color are you going to go for?
I'm going to try to make purple.
Okay.
We'll see how this goes.
Just a few drops.
A couple drops of red and blue.
Kids typically taste play.
Oh, hi, Karen. So Karen's asking if, like, when kids typically eat the Play-Doh.
Oh.
So, well, we don't recommend that you eat the Play-Doh.
I don't think it's recommended to eat any Play-Doh.
Yeah. But I think it'd be okay if they got it in their mouth.
This one's
it's not gonna
definitely safer than the other one.
All right, time to knead.
Yes, so you're gonna want to knead it. Yeah, so you can make it kid safe by using depending on the essential oil that you use. Like if you use tea tree, definitely don't make it into your Play-Doh. If you use something like lemon or
I'll be using lavender in mine, which is a really gentle and safe oil for kids.
Yes.
Like topically even. So.
What flour are you using? What kind of flour?
We're just using regular store-bought white bleached flour. Doesn't have to be anything special. So I was aiming for purple, but it doesn't quite look purple. How's yours coming out?
Mine is kind of, it's getting there. It's not all the way the color that I want it to be.
Okay. So mine's like really, it's not too sticky. It's pretty Play-Doh consistency, maybe a little bit more flour. If you find that it's like too runny and too sticky, just add more flour in, or if it's the opposite, if it's too dry and it's falling apart, just add a little bit more water.
Yes. And for your color to stick, I probably would suggest putting your color into the water before adding it into your mixture. We just didn't do that this time since we were sharing water and wanted different colored dough. But if you're doing this at home, go ahead and add your food coloring into your water and you'll be fine. You won't have to deal with your semi-colored Play-Doh like I have here. Yeah, but it's working. Mine's changing.
Mine's
slowly
turning
but
a little
surely.
maroon. So I'm going to go ahead and add the essential oil to mine now. I'm going to add 5 drops of lavender. And one of the reasons I'm using lavender over lavender is just because I feel it smells a little bit more floral and sweet. So for recipes like this, I just like lavender better than lavender.
Okay, so I will go ahead and add my essential oil. So I chose to go with Relax Essential Oil Blend. If you've been watching our Facebook Lives for a while, you know that's my favorite essential oil blend that we carry. It smells like our, well, I just realized I had glitter all over my hands because now I have glitter all over my Play-Doh. It smells like our vanilla orange soap or vanilla orange body wash. So if you like the smell of vanilla orange, then I would suggest Relax Essential Oil for you.
I think mine is just about ready. It's like a perfect doughy consistency. The colors are mixed together. It kind of turned out a little bit more maroon than I thought it would, but if you can see.
You have 4 kids and the fun is not just playing with the Play-Doh.
The adventure is making it. Yeah, this is a super fun recipe to make with your kids. It's so easy. And
it's very cost effective.
Very cost effective.
And it's also very cool because they can create whatever color that they want, and it can last a very long time as long as you store it in an airtight container.
Yes.
It can last a really long time. But even if it does get dried out, when you buy your flour, it comes in those huge bags, and salt comes in the huge containers as well. I think we got our salt for only like 50 cents.
Yeah.
So. You can make as much.
And you can probably make this recipe immediately because you probably have flour, salt, and water at home. So
very true. Very true. And then your essential oil of choice. Of course, we would suggest using... oh, here you go.
Oh, it came out pretty good.
Yeah.
I actually kind of like that it's all swirly.
It's swirly. Kind of cool looking, actually.
Yeah, mine's pretty mixed.
Yeah. And then you can use, probably what you use at home, like cookie cutters and things like that as fun little tools for your little ones to make fun shapes and things or for yourself, there's no age limit to.
No, I'm having fun.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, I think mine's nice and mixed together. So it's actually a really simple and easy recipe, and it smells amazing. It doesn't smell like flour anymore.
Nope. It smells delicious. I tried to make a heart.
Well, it's a beautiful heart, Dana.
Thank
Very
you.
beautiful heart. Mine will be the sun.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Okay.
So this was super fun. If you guys try this recipe, please let us know. We'd love to see pictures or videos. Leave us a comment. Also, we'd like to mention that if you guys haven't seen our email or any or banner on our website, we have a new cuticle balm that works so good. I love it. I personally use it all the time. Been using it for a while, testing it.
Yeah.
But yeah, check that out. It's a really great product. It's limited time only, so we only have so many. So get it while you can.
Yes, definitely. I highly suggest getting it because you can't see it from here, but Dana has the most amazing nails. Oh, kind of. Yeah, she has the most amazing nails, and she uses our cuticle balm because she's been testing it out. So if you want amazing nails and healthy nails like Dana.
Yes, healthy cuticles.
Yes.
Moisturized hands. So thanks for joining us, guys. We hope you like this recipe, and we will see you guys next week.
Bye.